Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I will show you step by step how to change your name on Facebook in 2025. We will be using the official settings and I will be sharing the rules that you need to know so that your change gets approved. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your Facebook application, or you can also open your web browser and search for facebook.com. You need to basically sign in into that particular account of yours, the name of which you want to change. Over here, tap on these three lines in the top right hand corner of the screen, then tap on this gear icon. This is going to redirect you here in the settings and privacy of your Facebook account. But since you want to change the name of our account, you need to tap on the option of Account Center. Over here in the Account Center, tap on the option of Profiles, then select that particular Facebook profile of your in which you want to basically change the name. So I have only one profile, that's why it is showing me one. But if you have multiple profiles, that's when you need to select. So after selecting your profile, select the option of name. Now it is going to show you your current name. It will be in three sections: first name, middle name, and your surname. So here you need to start typing the new name which you want to save for your account. Then you can type your surname too. After that, before tapping on this option of review changes here in the bottom, you need to remember that if you change your name, you won't be able to change it again for the next 60 days. Do not add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, or character or any random words. So you need to keep these things in mind. Then tap on the option of review change here in the bottom. So this way you will be able to change the name of your Facebook account in 2025. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.